What's going on, guys? So, for the past 8 months, I've been building AI agents and automation workflow for businesses. And there has been an issue when setting up a WhatsApp agent. And I'm not talking about a personal project where you use a test number for your WhatsApp agent. I'm referring to a production level automation where you connect a real phone number to automate WhatsApp messaging. So it's critical to know that when you are setting up a WhatsApp agent through the WhatsApp Cloud API, you cannot use that phone number as a normal WhatsApp in the sense that you cannot log in that number on your phone like a normal WhatsApp and send message through it. It's now serving as a server where message go to and then receive message from. So that is one of the limitations with the WhatsApp Cloud API. Now, because of that, we cannot, if you are automating your messages in WhatsApp, you cannot really see the messages that is going through and the messages that is coming in, right? So, for example, you are using n8n. The only way you can view those messages is through the execution log, and that is not scalable for a business at all. That's not scalable for a business. So for these reasons, many businesses hesitate to adopt the WhatsApp automation because most of them are concerned about seeing the conversation that goes through or that comes in their WhatsApp agent. How I was able to solve this was that I built a WhatsApp CRM inbox for my clients so that they can easily log into the CRM and then view all the conversations that had gone through their WhatsApp agents without me having to manually check the execution log in n8n to see the conversation. So this is more scalable and it helps for the businesses also. Now for this CRM, apart from the colors, the user interface actually looks like WhatsApp, where we have the conversation list on the left hand side and then the conversation thread on the right hand side. So the conversation list shows all the conversations that has gone through the WhatsApp agent, and then the conversation thread shows the conversation for each WhatsApp number. So how I was able to achieve this was that when setting up the automation workflow in n8n, I added a memory node that stores all the conversations in a Postgres database. So all the conversation that goes in and goes out are stored in the Postgres database as user message and then AI agent message. So with that, I was able to query the database from my back end and display it on the front end. So I built the back end with Node.js and Express, and then the front end with simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I also added a WebSocket that constantly keeps the connection between the back end and the front end open. So whenever messages comes into the database, it automatically logs it to our CRM. So we don't have to manually refresh and refresh and refresh. So that's it. If you like to join my AI automation community, you can check the description down below. There's a link for it there, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so and smash the like button. I'll see you on the next one.